So we figured we'd say hi real quick. Yes, Pretty Bird wanted to tell everybody welcome to the channel, to all the new subscribers. And Pretty Bird had something else to say. Now listen. You ready? Alright, tell him. You gonna tell him? Are you being shy? Are you being shy? Tell him, Pretty Bird. Thank you for kisses. Yes, kisses. What are you doing? Yes, and then what else? Anyways, we wanted to welcome everybody new to the channel, and we wanted to remind everyone that we're still taking suggestions for Pretty Bird's Let's Try Some Random Foods videos. Not videos. And in preparation for her birthday coming up in April. And Pretty Bird has something special to share today, right, Pretty Bird? We have a surprise for the Pretty Bird flock. So sadly, I didn't take videos of Pretty Bird when she was a baby that I know of, that I can find, which obviously I very much regret. But I did take pictures. And so I thought that y'all might enjoy seeing some pictures of Pretty Bird. Pretty Bird, are you ready to show them? Are you ready? There you go. Can you see it? There you go. Trying to make sure the glare isn't there too much. There you go. That's Pretty Bird. What's up, baby? Look at that cute little goose. And then we have, of course, this picture. These are all pictures from when she was just a few days old. And this one right here is Pretty Bird. Isn't she just the cutest? Such a cute little goose, huh? And then here, this is one of my favorites actually. She's fast asleep with her sister. Can you see? Right there, in Boots' arms, passed out. How cute is that? Anyways, I thought that y'all might enjoy that. I hope you did. And then, Pretty Bird, you come to Mama? Come here. Come here. You don't like the rock? Come on. Up. Good girl, up. Good girl, up. Look at you. So I can do that too. So I can do it too. Say, George is not the only one. So I can climb too. Big Bird! Yes, Big Bird. Are you a big bird? Are you a big bird? Mama's got you. Can Mama have kisses? Anyways, so Pretty Bird, you're being a good girl. Are you being a good girl? Yes, Mama loves your baby. Mama loves a baby. Let everybody see how pretty you are. Pretty Bird. Pretty Bird. Yes, Pretty Bird. Look at that silly goose. Oh, thank you for the grooming. What do you hear? What is it? Cuckoo. Ha. 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 Cuckoo. Alright, Pretty Bird. Let's let your flock go. Okay? Otherwise this will be a long, boring video. What are you peeking at? What are you looking for? She's like, what's my way out? Anyways, Pretty Bird, you can tell your flock. Say, don't forget to, if you're a newcomer, please do subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed it. Leave a comment with any thoughts you may have. And please do share this beautiful bird with your friends and with your family. And, you know, share the videos. Tell them about Pretty Bird. Yeah, tell them. Ha! Tell them. You tell them. See, she agrees with that. See? Yeah. Yep, she just said share and subscribe. You hear that? Mm-hmm. Just in case y'all didn't understand. Just figured I'd translate. Anyways, you all have a beautiful week, and we will see you all soon. All right, Pretty Bird. Say bye, everybody. Say love y'all. Love y'all. Say we love everybody. Say thank you for watching our video. Bye.